Hi! In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a Zoho AI assistant and connect it to Zoho CRM. For new users, after signing up and verifying your account, log in to your Call Agent AI dashboard. Once you're logged in, the setup wizard will automatically appear and guide you through creating your AI assistant. Simply click Get Started to begin the setup process. Select the Call Agent AI plus Zoho CRM option and click Continue. Choose your industry to customize your assistant with the most relevant features. This selection will also determine the pre-configured assistant prompt, giving your AI a starting point tailored to your industry. Don't worry, you'll always have the option to fully customize the prompt later if you want. On the Customize Your Agent page, under Basic Configuration, you can set up your AI call agent's identity, voice, and behavior. First, fill in the following details: agent's name, company/business name. Specify whether your agent will handle inbound or outbound calls. Select your preferred AI model. Choose your preferred voice model. These settings will help define how your AI assistant interacts with callers. Now, scroll down to the Agent First Greeting section. Here, enter the opening message your assistant will say when answering a call. This greeting will be the first thing callers hear, so make it clear and welcoming. Then, scroll down to the Agent Script section. This section generates a pre-configured AI prompt based on the industry you selected. You can always customize the AI prompt later to fit your specific requirements. If you already have a script for your AI assistant, you can either replace the sample script with yours or copy and paste parts of it into the existing script. Click on the Save Configuration button to finalize your prompt. In the next page, you will see the Zoho Integration button. This allows you to link your Zoho account to your AI assistant. When you click the Zoho Integration button, a Zoho Integration Assistant pop-up window will appear. To link your Zoho account, first go to api-console.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Then click Add Client. Then, select Server-Based Application. For client name, enter Call Agent AI. Set the homepage URL to admin.callagentai.com and set the authorized redirect URIs to admin.callagentai.com/auth/Zoho/callback. Then click the Create button to generate your web-based application. Next, click on the Client Secret tab. Copy your client ID and client secret. Then, paste your client ID and client secret into the corresponding setup fields in Call Agent AI. Leave the data center set to Global and click Connect with Zoho. A new browser window will open. Select your Zoho CRM account and click Submit. Enable or check the option. I allow Call Agent AI to access the above data from my Zoho account. Then click the Accept button. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation showing how many CRM modules were loaded successfully. Select the CRM module where you want to record your inbound or outbound calls, for example, contacts. Then click Next. Now it's time to map your fields. First, map the primary phone field. This is where your contacts or leads' main phone number is stored. Once this is mapped, all other fields will be mapped automatically. Finally, click the Save and Finish button at the bottom right corner of the window to complete your Zoho CRM setup. Once everything has been set up correctly, you will see a button labeled Connected and Authorized. Next, scroll down to the Call Logging settings and enable the following options. Log calls from known callers to create Zoho call records when the caller is found in your CRM. Log calls from unknown callers to create Zoho call records even when the caller is not found in your CRM. Once you've enabled these settings, scroll up and click the Submit button to finalize your Zoho configuration. And that's how to set up a Zoho AI assistant and connect it to Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.